preparing for Operation Justin Drop. We're getting the splash drone ready with its payload, Avengers themed 3D printed items, including but not limited to a Avengers cookie cutter and cookies made with said cookie cutter. We'll see what Mr. McDowell thinks of this belated birthday Corona gift. It is T-1 minute, and we are walking to the corner of Thomas and 8th to begin Operation Justin Drop. Here we are on Thomas. We've got the payload. We've got the green goggles. And we're almost ready. So we are at our corner. Matt is getting the splash drone ready. He's looking at wires. He's appropriately clothed. He's got his FAA license, so don't try this at home, kids. Justin's out on his porch, probably wondering what's going on. There he is, wondering what's going on. And the drone is operational, and we have liftoff. Matt's in heaven right now, getting to use the payload. The neighbors are out enjoying the delivery. I'm trying to follow the drone. It's on its way. Katie and Justin are on the porch. It's Justin's birthday yesterday. He was born in 1982. It was a good year. Never knew that drones would be in existence in 2020 and that he could get delivery by a drone. But here we are. Matt's going to try to land this thing on the ground and drop the payload. He almost made it. He almost made it. But he does, ooh. It's a 5-point landing, folks.